Ben, we need to clean this workshop. All right, let's clean this puppy. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we're going to be laser cutting some tool organizers today with the X-Tool S1 laser. We have to get this workbench organized. It's stressing me out. We're also giving away the laser cutting files for free for the next week for all 3 boxes that we're cutting. So make sure you go and download that right now. If you're watching this and it's been more than a week, good news for you is that the main box is still available free. That's the box with all the holes, and that's going to be free forever. If you're interested in the other 2, those will be available on our Etsy shop. Okay, let's get cutting. I'm using the X-Tool S1 20-watt laser. The 40-watt would be much better for this purpose, but we're going to work with what we've got. And so I'm using 6mm Baltic birch plywood, which is about 1/4 inch, and I bought this for $3.95 Canadian at KJP Select Hardwoods. That's a Canadian company, and they have these pre-cut panels. So this is 12 by 20 inches, specifically for lasers. And they come with a bunch of sizes that will probably fit your laser.
You'll need about 7 to 9 pieces, depending how good you are at Tetris. The final cost for the materials is about $36. Though if you're counting the cost of the laser, then I don't really want to talk about it. So each box took about an hour to cut every single piece. The box with all the holes took closer to about 2 hours to cut.
So we've got all the pieces for the first box here, and we're gonna use some wood glue to put it together, and masking tape. Let's get started. So that's box 1. Let's go on to box 2. All right, so I am super pumped at how well these turned out. Really organized and cleaned up this table. The files worked perfectly. The pieces fit together perfectly, and it was actually super satisfying to assemble. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please hit subscribe. Okay. Ben just walked in with something ridiculous. I can't see you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.